Inside the courtroom.
Please state your name for the record, please. Then the court.
Good morning.
Your other, we would, I don't think was no warrant was issued. It's like the show cause, I think it was a very recent one. So, we're waiting for the arraignment, stand mute. That's what they're pleading not guilty. We have reached a resolution in this matter.
Good.
So, Your Honor, on the A case, my client's going to be tendering a guilty plea to reduced charge of no operator's license on person, fails to display valid license. In addition, the people have agreed that the B ticket, which had been put into a default back on June 24th, they're not in opposition to having that matter set aside for the grant.
I already did it. Set aside and dismissed.
That's the extent of our agreement.
Okay. All right. Mr. Horton, have you discussed your rights and options with counsel? Understand all those? Understand the possible penalty for the added charge? Up to 90 days in jail, up to $500 fines plus court costs? Okay. Yep. Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty to that charge today? Doing so freely and voluntarily? If you're looking for that one. Just need a plea agreement for it. All right. Did you, on April 10, 2026, drive a vehicle in Van Buren Township while your license was suspended, revoked, or denied? I'll accept your plea to the added charge, dismiss both those original charges in keeping with your agreement.
Thank you.
What's the status of the license now?
36th District is the last hurdle I believe to clear. And
Good.
The big balance. He understands that the failed to display no obstacle have a 30-day, additional period of penalty box about what he's looking at to get everything squared out financially at 36.
Okay. So probably sometime first part of August, you'll have a license.
How long do you think it's going to take to be all your stuff squared out downtown?
How soon? When do you think you'll be driving legally? Best guess.
Okay, beginning of next year,
Okay. All right. How much you owe downtown?
like 8,000.
What's it? Heather, what's in, I can never remember that name, the name of that program they're doing down to 36 to help you with the license start, fresh start, or clean start, clean slate?
No, that's drive. That's ours.
That's help.
There's something they're doing at 36 though, isn't there? I thought they had a special program though.
That's a great font. So there's a process to help people navigate getting driver's license back, similar to
Okay.
what we have here.
Okay.
But they may have something where it's, I don't want, sometime annually, usually they'll offer
Amnesties,
an amnesty. But
at least waive late fees. Yeah. All right. So are you working? Where do you work?
I be working in good work, so that's
Who do you work for?
the
Who?
that.
What do they do? Okay. All right. Full-time job? How long you been there? Good. All right. Okay. Anything else you want me to consider before I sentence you? Okay. All right. So on this file, I've got the show cause fee. So that brings you up to $550 fines and costs. We'll work with you on payments. There's other options. You can talk about all the options downstairs before you get out of the building. Just make a plan. So when you leave here, you got a plan on how we're going to take care of that. Yeah. For the one misdemeanor that I can put you in jail for 3 months, that one. Yeah. In lieu of jail time, I'm ordering 4 days on the court work program. We're currently running that program 7 days a week. That just happened. We just went to Sundays. So you pick which 4 days you want to work. The days you pick, you got to be here at 8 o'clock in the morning. You understand how that works? Do whatever the crew's doing that day. You might be cleaning up on the side of the road. Right. Right. Right.
done here before. You don't have to find where to go to do that. We'll schedule it here. Tell you what's happening to show up for, so you're not running around getting signatures, so you've done through here.
Okay, so when I do that on the weekend?
Yeah, we're 7 days a week. You pick the days. I'm going to warn you though, if you schedule weekends and then you miss a day, you don't get weekend schedules anymore. Because everybody wants weekends, so you get one shot at the weekend. Understood?
Oh, towards my father.
No, it's in lieu of jail. Instead of putting you in jail, I'm ordering 4 days on the work program and $550 fines and costs. All right, any questions?
6 district, one of the, like, they ran out from March 9th to April 2nd this year was their big push. So
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
you would still just, that's the window.
Missed the timing. All right, good luck on your license downtown.
Have a good day.
Are you Reyes too?
Inside the courtroom.